trees on Australian streets have left a strong impression with the incredible power and sharpness of lumberjacks' saws. High-speed saw heads really create a very interesting sight as they powerfully and quickly cut down trees after just one large cut. In particular, the discovery of a large tree with a diameter of more than 70 centimeters increases the magnificence of this image. The Dipper Fox 600 stump crusher is powerful and versatile, working well on all terrains. With the ability to handle tree stumps up to 600 nm in diameter, the machine quickly crushes and splits tree stumps, saving time and effort. Dipper Fox 600 features sharp cutting blades and powerful pliers, handling large tree stumps in seconds. The machine brings high efficiency and satisfaction, becoming a great assistant for your work. The Pro TL775D wood harvester with Quaco 27 billion heater cutting wood from the Beachy Creek fire in Oregon worked surprisingly well. It was great. My feeling is that this technology really brings outstanding efficiency in cleaning and regenerating forests, making environmental restoration more promising and meaningful than ever. The John Deere Harvester 1270G Rapid Harvester is a giant step forward in the forestry industry. With the ability to cut trees up to more than 40 centimeters accurately and effectively, it not only helps increase productivity, but also brings precision and reliability in the harvesting process. This is an incredible technology that helps gardeners and forest managers manage and exploit forest resources more effectively than ever before. The image of this professional harvester cutting trees smoothly and quickly is not only a technological innovation, but also a symbol of progress in the global forestry industry. The TigerCat 855E excavator with a harvesting head capable of lifting weights of more than 25 tons is truly a symbol of outstanding strength in tree exploitation work. This capability delivers incredible efficiency, helping the excavator handle heavy tasks efficiently and accurately. This is a major step forward in forestry machinery technology, providing industry with powerful tools to optimize production and protect forest resources more effectively. Sampo HR86, a powerful and efficient logging machine. With its advanced design and powerful motor, the HR86 delivers precision and productivity in every cutting job. Equipped with a safe and energy-saving system, HR86 not only helps increase working efficiency, but also protects operator safety. The Ponce C5 woodcutter is the perfect choice for harvesting and processing oak wood with outstanding precision and speed. With the ability to cut wood up to 30 inches in diameter, this harvesting head ensures each cut is made quickly and accurately, helping to optimize performance in the field. The design of Ponce C5 is optimized to meet the strict requirements of the forestry industry, thereby providing flexibility and efficiency during operation. This is an indispensable tool for oak producers, helping them improve productivity and reduce production costs. Join me in discovering the powerful and reliable chainsaw, MS-044 Steel, the tool every lumberjack dreams of. With a 70.7 cc engine and 4.5 kW power, the MS-044 ensures outstanding performance, conquering the largest logs. The weight is only 6.3 kilos, and the perfectly balanced design makes operation easy and reduces fatigue when working for a long time. Effective anti-vibration system and pneumatic chain lubrication provide comfort and excellent cutting performance. Every cut brings a feeling of confidence and satisfaction. In the world of woodcutting and harvesting, the John Deere 843H stands out as a powerful and reliable machine for heavy forestry work. With a 90L engine and 300 horsepower, the John Deere 843H ensures high performance, quick and efficient processing of large logs. Advanced hydraulics and 360-degree rotation optimize productivity and reduce machine downtime. Spacious, well-insulated cabin provides comfort and reduces operator fatigue. The John Deere 843H not only improves work efficiency, but also brings confidence and satisfaction when facing every challenge. The power of the Barra 371 chain, saw with its 105 cm long blade, makes it the ideal choice for cutting large and heavy logs. The 70.7 cc engine provides 4.1 kW of power, ensuring outstanding cutting performance even with giant logs. With a weight of 6.6 kilo and a perfectly balanced design, Barra 371 helps users easily handle and reduce fatigue throughout long working hours. Effective anti-vibration system and automatic chain lubrication provide high comfort and efficiency. Every cut brings absolute confidence and satisfaction. Are you ready to experience this ultimate woodcutting tool? The Barra 371 is not just a saw, but also a reliable companion for all large wood chopping jobs. The Frick Saw is the perfect choice for woodworking projects thanks to its outstanding durability and sturdiness. The design of the Frick Saw ensures high performance and excellent precision in every cut. With a powerful engine, the machine can saw logs up to 80 centimeters in diameter, helping the work go quickly and efficiently. Advanced control system and user-friendly design make machine operation easy and safe. You will feel the difference when each cut becomes smoother and more precise than ever. Frick saws not only improve work efficiency, but also bring satisfaction and confidence to users. Looking at high-quality wooden boards cut precisely and beautifully, you will understand why frick saws are the top choice for every professional woodworker. Alaska, the great combination of Granberg and steel chainsaw creates the perfect pair for on-site wood milling, bringing great convenience and efficiency. Granberg Alaskan Mill turns a steel chainsaw into a portable saw, allowing for precise cutting of wooden planks on the spot. With the ability to process wood up to 90 centimeters in diameter, this system delivers incredible performance and precision. Steel chainsaw with powerful and durable motor ensures smooth and efficient operation. The anti-vibration system and automatic chain lubrication provide optimal comfort, allowing you to work long hours without fatigue. The combination of Granberg Alaskan Mill and chainsaw improves work efficiency and brings satisfaction to users. You will feel like a true artisan, turning raw wood into a work of art. The W1350 wood splitter is the ideal tool for large-scale wood exploitation and processing. With the ability to cut tree trunks up to 135 centimeters in diameter, the machine ensures outstanding performance and high precision. Equipped with an advanced hydraulic system, the W1350 operates smoothly and reliably. Durable and easy-to-maintain design saves time and effort. Using the W1350 not only improves work efficiency, but also brings peace of mind and satisfaction to the operator. Logging work becomes faster and more efficient than ever. The H414 War Cutter Head is an outstanding piece of equipment in the forestry industry, specially made to optimize the logging process. With the ability to handle tree trunks up to 60 centimeters in diameter, the H414 not only delivers outstanding performance, but also ensures absolute precision. Equipped with a powerful hydraulic system and sharp cutting blades, the H414 operates smoothly and efficiently, even in the harshest conditions. The machine's durable and easy-to-maintain design helps minimize downtime and significantly increase productivity. Using the H414 cutting head not only improves work efficiency, but also brings satisfaction and confidence to the operator. Each logging project is completed with excellence, making the user feel prouder and more secure than ever. Stump grinders are an essential part of the excavator, especially important in maintaining and managing the landscape after trees have been felled. The main function of a stump grinder is to completely remove stubborn tree stumps, helping to clear the ground and prepare the area for new planting or construction projects. This device saves time and effort compared to traditional manual methods, ensuring effective and safe tree stump removal. Using a stump grinder not only creates a clean and aesthetically pleasing space, but also helps protect the environment by preventing the spread of pests from rotting tree stumps. The efficiency and convenience of stump grinders give users satisfaction and peace of mind, while emphasizing the importance of technology in landscape management and maintenance. The Alpine Magnum is a versatile and extremely effective stump grinder, ideal for jobs requiring high precision and in hard-to-reach areas. With a 5.5 horsepower motor and a weight of just 40 pounds, the Alpine Magnum is easy to control and operate. This lightweight yet powerful machine allows you to quickly and efficiently process tree stumps up to 30 inches in diameter. Even facing the most difficult tree stumps, Alpine Magnum ensures their removal with ease and precision. Achieving a breakthrough, the Komatsu 911CX Smart Crane is operating efficiently in the lush forests of Sweden. With advanced technology, the Komatsu 911CX can lift, cut, and move heavy logs with ease. With an impressive lifting capacity of up to 11 tons, this crane is not simply a machine, but a symbol of innovation in the forestry industry. Imagine the lush Washington forests where the Komatsu 911CX does its work. This smart crane, with its superior technology, not only meets all work needs, but also brings maximum efficiency and safety to the operator. The combination of technology and nature is magical, bringing wonderful and surprising experiences to those who witness it. In the lush green forest, the LX830OD Tiger Cat machine stands tall, the embodiment of advanced technology. With the ability to extract and process plants at an impressive speed of up to 40 plants per hour, the LX830OD demonstrates outstanding power and efficiency. More than just a machine, the LX830OD is a symbol of progress, helping people exploit forest resources sustainably and effectively. Before us is a wood collection machine that has been in operation for 12 years. German machinery is always famous for its durability and world-leading quality. After harvesting, small trees will mainly be crushed into small wood chips by wood chipper for paper and furniture production. The Mach 1300 bank grinder operates on a powerful rotating principle. When materials fall, they will be brutally crushed. Large logs will be broken into pieces until they become small pieces, suitable for burning. In countries with long winters, firewood is an indispensable raw material. The warmth from the fireplace, the flickering fire on a cold winter night, all come from the logs that have passed through the hands of the Mach 1300 bank grinder. With its incredible crushing ability, it turns giant logs into a valuable source of energy, heating thousands of families during cold days. The modern tree digger is a symbol of technological progress and ingenuity in nature management. When you see this machine in action, you feel like you are witnessing a giant but extremely sophisticated and effective machine. The machine's strong steel arms reached out, gently embracing the tree trunk, and a proud smile appeared on the faces of the machine operators. With outstanding power, this tree excavator can dig up and move trees with large roots up to 152 newton-meters quickly and accurately, without harming the tree's important root system. The giant John Deere 1470 lawnmower is like a skilled lumberjack, equipped with a powerful 9.0L engine. With 250 horsepower, it moved easily through dense wilderness, handling and processing wood at a rate of 5 logs per minute. A close-up shows the massive power of the 600 UPS, making this machine easily cut through the densest areas. The roaring sound of the engine rang out, demonstrating the power and efficiency of the John Deere 1470 in logging. This nimble Husqvarna 550 chainsaw delivers great performance with cutting speeds as fast as 13,000 RPM. Equipped with the powerful 5018 motor and the 5501 motor's number 5 fix, this saw easily turns old cherry tree trunks into neat, easily managed pieces of wood. Integrated with the powerful chassis of the Volvo 145 and the advanced Flex 14 technology, this logging machine is not just a tool, but a true king of the jungle. This formidable duo dominates the jungle with incredible ease and performance. Its superior power allows trees to be felled at impressive speeds, processing up to 10 logs per minute. Imagine this scene. Each huge ancient tree is conquered quickly and neatly. Woodcutting work becomes easier and more efficient than ever before. Imagine you are standing in the middle of a primeval forest. In front of you is the Ecolog 590D, an incredibly powerful and accurate machine. This is not just an ordinary wood harvester, but a revolution in forest product exploitation technology. Ecolog 590D stands out with its massive yet sophisticated design, carrying the power of a monster and the sophistication of an artist. Its advanced hydraulic system handles every task smoothly and efficiently. With a powerful engine, the Ecolog 590D can cut down giant old trees in just a snap. The intelligent control system allows operators to adjust parameters accurately, optimizing the harvesting process. Flexible mobility helps the Ecolog 590D easily overcome the most difficult terrain, from bumpy slopes to swamp areas. With sharp cutting blades and a powerful clamping mechanism, the Ecolog 590D not only cuts but also transports wood safely and quickly. This advanced technology not only saves time but also ensures safety for workers, minimizing risks during work. Have you ever imagined a machine that can conquer any terrain while still ensuring maximum efficiency and safety? The 1170G's powerful engine not only helps it traverse any terrain, but also handle the toughest tasks. Outstanding control and optimized design make it a favorite choice among operators. Imagine the perfect combination of power and precision. Combined with the H414 8WD harvesting head, the 1170G delivers excellent precision and cutting efficiency. Whether you're navigating the slopes or the jungle, this combination ensures you get the job done perfectly. Prepare to be inspired by the advanced technology and engineering perfection of the John Deere 1170G and H414 8WD. This is the future of the logging industry. LogMax 7000 XT, a machine that stands for precision and power. Designed for versatility and durability, the 7000 XT is an outstanding harvesting head in any logging operation. Equipped with a powerful engine, providing the necessary energy to fell and process large trees quickly and effectively. The clamping mechanism and sharp cutting blades allow it to process wood with great precision, minimizing waste and optimizing productivity. With a flexible design, it can move easily through complex terrain, from dense forests to steep terrain. The intelligent control system helps operators easily adjust technical parameters to suit each specific type of job. With its lightweight design and powerful motor, the Steel 044 handles even the toughest jobs with ease. High-performance gasoline engine delivers outstanding power, helping you fell large trees or cut firewood without difficulty. The advanced anti-vibration system minimizes user fatigue, allowing for long-term, comfortable work. The sharp and durable blade of the Steel 044 ensures clean and precise cuts. The automatic lubrication system keeps the saw chain in top condition, extending its life and minimizing maintenance. The ability to start easily and quickly is a big plus, especially when working in harsh conditions. Known for its strength and adaptability, the TMK400 is perfect for a variety of applications, from clearing brush to handling large trees. The sturdy design and sharp blade of the TMK400 ensure clean cuts and efficient operations. With its powerful motor, this tool can quickly and easily handle the toughest tasks, ensuring outstanding performance in any situation. You'll be impressed by the combination of power and versatility that the TMK400 offers. The advanced control system makes it easy for operators to use and adjust, increasing accuracy and safety. Flexible mobility helps this tool work effectively on all types of terrain, from dense forests to steep lands. The SP451LF is equipped on the Timberjack 1070, a combination that takes multi-tree processing to a new level. This set of equipment is designed for maximum performance, allowing operators to manage multiple plants at once with precision and ease. The versatility and power of this machine, combined with the advanced technology of the SP451LF, make it a formidable force in the forestry world. With its powerful motor and intelligent control system, it can move through the most difficult terrain, while the SP451LF with sharp blades ensures smooth and precise cuts. The SP451LF is designed with a sturdy steel frame and heavy-duty components, helping it withstand harsh working conditions. The advanced hydraulic system provides the necessary pressure and flow to ensure continuous and stable operation. Smart sensors help optimize wood cutting and transportation, reducing waste and increasing productivity. We love a good showdown, and today we have a clash of the titans, the Stihl MS651 and the Husqvarna 585. Both chainsaws are powerful machines, known for their strength and reliability. We'll pit these two giants head-to-head, comparing their features, performance, and user experience. From powerful motors to ergonomic designs, see which chainsaw will win this epic battle. Whether you're a Stihl loyalist or a Husqvarna fan, this comparison will give you all the details you need to choose your ultimate forestry companion. This is the battle of legends. Barco 260B, a true heavyweight champion in the world of forestry. Known for its outstanding strength and durability, the 260B is designed to handle the most demanding logging tasks. With its sturdy construction and advanced hydraulic system, it delivers outstanding performance and reliability. The Cummins QSP 6.7 engine with a capacity of 173 horsepower helps the Barco 260B easily conquer the densest forests. The powerful hydraulic system not only enhances the ability to cut and transport wood, but also ensures that every operation is smooth and precise. Can you imagine? A machine that can easily handle even the largest tree trunks without any difficulty. The structure of the Barco 260B is made from high-quality materials, ensuring high durability and stability, even when working in the harshest conditions. The flexible suspension system and sturdy chassis help the machine operate smoothly on all terrains, from rough roads to the most difficult-to-reach areas. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any exciting videos in the future. Your support is the biggest motivation for us to continue creating great content.